Today, you're going to learn 3 powerful Power BI Plus Copilot tricks that beginners never use, but professionals rely on every day. And yes, these are real techniques you can use right now. Let's make your reporting faster, clearer, and stress-free. 1. The smart question trick. Get better insights instantly. Most people ask Copilot vague questions, and Copilot gives vague answers. Here's the trick. Ask Copilot like you're talking to an analyst, not a robot. Try this. Explain the top 3 reasons why sales dropped in Q3. Use only data from this table. Show the result as a bar chart. See the difference? You're giving context. You're giving limits. You're telling Copilot what you want and why. Simple change, huge improvement in accuracy. 2. The 30-second dataset cleanup. Power BI works best when your data is clean. But cleaning is boring. So here's the shortcut. After loading your data, tell Copilot. Identify columns that need formatting, fixing, or standardizing. Suggest corrections. Copilot will spot dates stored as text, missing values, duplicate rows, mixed number, text columns. Then ask, apply all corrections and show me the before-after summary. Boom, your data is ready for analysis in seconds. 3. Automatic DAX generator. No more formula stress. Let's be honest, DAX scares beginners. But here's the secret. Copilot writes 90% of your DAX for you. Try this prompt. Create a DAX measure that calculates month-over-month growth, labels increases in green and decreases in red, and explains the logic afterward. You get the formula, you get the explanation, you even learn why it works. This one trick saves hours. If you found these techniques helpful, this is only 5% of what you can do. For more shortcuts, prompts, examples, and real business workflows, check out Power BI Copilot Handbook by Kai Ellington, packed with step-by-step guidance for beginners, clean explanations, and small projects you can finish in a day. Available now on Amazon. Build dashboards faster, work smarter, and let AI be your assistant, not your obstacle. Link is in description. Thank you for watching. For more techniques and book recommendations, please follow us.